All right, well, something happened to my new design and it leaked. And so I'm just going to go with the old design, which is a double amount of HHO in one bottle. Oh, you know what? Oh, there it goes. Interesting. I guess my flashback arrestor is not letting any gas through. So I'll have to take that off. Okay. Hopefully this will work. So, let's see if we get some bubbles. Yes. Nice bubbles. Green bubbles. Okay. Now I thought it might be fun also is I had a balloon on my wine bottle with the aluminum and lye, and I've collected this much hydrogen. And I thought it might be fun to float it on the surface and see if it also ignited. So this is going to be wild and crazy, folks. But that's what you pay me for. Actually, you don't pay me at all, but that's all right. So here we go. Never lit one of these sparklers before. And it might be nice if I got stuff out of the way. Here we go. Oh, by the way, these sparklers are hard to light. Huh. I have to bring out the big guns to get this thing to light. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna start bubbling a little gas.